Hello YouTube, Nissan Micra from 2005, Jap import, automatic gearbox. So we will be replace the front brake pads and probably need the disc, but we still probably replace only the pads. We see. For the jack place is actually here. Don't forget the stand. That's be okay. Who explained to me this? What the hell? Lovely idea. Jesus, 10 years ago. Oh, pop up self. Okay. $21. Okay, so I have the brake pads from the local shop, so I hope it's correct, because this is the Jap import that was on the list actually the same. So we see. Of course is wrong. So so today only I just removed the brake pads, and tomorrow I have to go to the shop for change the brake pads for correct one. Okay, we have scratched the disc inside, not much, but should be replaced. But if I know story this car, so I have to leave it this. That's not my decision, but even if I have to. Nice. Okay, I have to take it something bigger. Let me see. 14 size. Okay. Bottom as well. A little rust. Now we can go with spanner. Lovely. Bottom loose like that. We have the rubber on the bottom, on the top. You see, a rubber gun. Probably the cylinder would be seized. That's not nice. Always you check. That's the metal. Okay, so you can push in. Should be. That's all what I can do now. This is really almost scrap car, so I don't worry about this. Okay, push it in. Will be a good idea if we check how is the brake fluid level before you push the cylinder. But I know my one was low, so I can do safety of this. Yeah, I just prepped this for tomorrow. Okay, so maximum in. Okay, this we can put on the top. Just careful for the hand. about. And now we can compare what the shop sell me and what I have. Much different. Thank you, shop. Okay, we just have a look at the other side. That was metal to metal. Okay, so the disc looks like that. Should be replaced, but like I'm saying, we have to leave it. Okay, so I put the caliper back and I have to go to the shop for replace the parts for a correct one. That's all today. Okay guys, so day number 2. Now we have the correct brake pads. So we can moving out again this. So now the parts is like should be. Was like that. So we fit actually like should be. You see how big different. Okay. We try measure first will be really correct. I think was fitted like that. So yeah, we have to clean up all the hanger. So I have to remove the hanger and clean up the hanger. 17. So if you think that's alright, no, you make mistake. You have to remove the metal piece and clean under this. More important place is here. Now it's okay. And other side exactly the same. Okay, both sides is ready, so time to fit it. Perfect. That should be fitted the brake pads, actually like that. Don't forget the little grease. This is the high temperature grease. The original was the spring like that, so if we have the space for this, we have to fit it. That's be the best. Was only one side, so maybe is only one side, or maybe this same should be on the bottom as well. Not sure. Yeah, rubber like that. We can do nothing with this because anyway the rubber is damaged. That's not right. Should we replace this? So if you have same like that, you have to replace it, but this way nothing changed. Much different. Exactly this Nissan Micra is the job import, so the brake pads from the European was not okay, like you see before. So we just compare the used brake pads with the new in the shop, and that was actually brake pads from Nissan Tida. So if you're looking for something like that, careful, because the job import has the different brakes. Looks like a little bit bigger. Okay, the wheel should be tightened for 110 Newton meters. So I will be do this later, and that's all. So actually the brake pad story in the Nissan Micra is finished. Now you know what's mean to replace the brake pads. Careful what you're doing, don't screw anything, because this is the brakes. If you're not sure, don't touch. Okay guys, see you soon in the new video.